How to check your login activity on Snapchat. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure your app is up to date. If not, then you cannot check your login activity on Snapchat. So in order to check the updates, you can open Play Store. And once you open it, search for Snapchat. If there is update button next to the app, you can tap on it and update your app. Once done, open the app and select the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. On this profile feed, you have to select the settings or gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your settings page. And on the settings page, select two-factor authentication. Make sure the two-factor authentication is turned on. So when the two-factor authentication is turned on, you'll be required the password when you log into new devices. So it will keep your account safe and private. So let's tap on forget devices on this page. Now on this section, you'll easily see all the devices where your Snapchat has been logged in. If you wish to delete or remove those devices from being logged into your Snapchat account, you can select the cross icon next to that device and easily log out those devices from being logged in on Snapchat. So in this way, you can easily check your login activity on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.